Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix Weverse application not working. So if your Weverse application is not working, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be because your application is not updated properly. In that case, what you have to do is update the application. Sometimes when you do not update the application, there can be various bugs which needs to be fixed. So for that, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in Weverse over here. Now you'll be able to see the results. Find the application for Weverse and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now you can see two options over here, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the option for update. Simply tap on it, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Now all the bugs will be fixed and you'll be able to access the smoother performance. So now your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, what you have to do is open the app library of your device, find the application for Weverse and long press on it. Now you'll be able to find the option for app info over here, tap on it. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option, clear cache. Now you can see over here the cache of your application will be cleared. Now your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and reinstall it. For that, go back. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find the option for uninstall, tap on it. After that, install this application from Play Store and your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, the problem might be on your device. So in that case, what you can do is try restarting your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix a lot of problems. So for that, what you have to do is long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart. Now your device will be restarted. Try using the application and your problem can be solved. So that is how you fix Weverse application not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.